How to fix your Instagram cannot go live. So there are a couple of reasons why you would be facing this problem. By the end of this video, you're going to understand all the steps you need to take in order to go ahead and fix this problem. The first step is pretty generic. You want to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Try toggling between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data, or you could also try closing and reopening your Instagram application. If you're on an Android device, you can simply go to Settings, App, Instagram, and simply go ahead and clear cache, or always make sure that you are using the latest version of the application. You can simply go to App Store or Play Store depending on the device you're using in order to go ahead and check if there are any updates. If that is not the case, you want to simply try restarting your device, which should definitely fix your problem. Keep in mind there are also a couple of requirements, so you must be at least 16 of age in order to go ahead and go live. So that is about it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.